In this video, we're going to take a look at a couple of examples where we are adding matrices. Now, before we start this, we've got to remember that matrices can be added if and only if they have the same dimensions. So if our matrices do not have the same dimensions, we cannot add them. All right, in this first example, it says find A plus B if A is this 2 by 2 matrix and this one is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we can add them because they have the same dimensions. All right, and what we're going to do is we're going to add corresponding number will go in the top left-hand corner. We'll add the top right-hand corner, and that will go in the top right-hand corner. We'll add the bottom left-hand corner, and that answer will go in the left-hand corner, and then we will add the bottom right-hand corner, and that's where that answer will go. So on our paper, we're going to have an A plus a B, and we're going to go ahead and show what two matrices we're adding here. 4, 2, -6, 3 is being added to the -3, 5, 7, and -9. All right, putting in the extra step here, we're going to take the 4 and add that to the -3. We're going to take the 2 and add it to the 5. Those will be the two numbers on the left-hand side. The right-hand side, we'll take the -6 plus the 7, and we'll take the 3 plus the -9. Just kind of spreading this out, showing all steps here. All right, now all we have to do is add corresponding numbers here. So 4 plus -3 is 1. 5 plus 2 is 7. -6 plus 7 is going to be a 1. And 3 plus that -9 is a -6. All right, so definitely a straightforward adding 2 by 2 matrices there. All right, now over here, we need to look at this. This is a 2 by 3 matrices. All right, there are 2 rows, there are 3 columns. This one over here is a 2 by 2. All right, so since they do not have the same dimensions, we cannot add them. All right, so let's just make a note here. You cannot add A and B. All right, so just 2 quick examples here going through how you would go about adding matrices. Definitely thanks for watching, and if the videos are helping, please share with your friends so they can benefit too, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.